have a JAMB physics question of the day. Okay, I know most of you want calculation, so I think from now maybe till the end of not till the end, till your JAMB exam, I would always make sure I drop a physics calculation, okay, for you. So you conquer every calculation aspect of the physics JAMB physics exam. Okay, so please do share our channels to your friends, family, and loved ones. Okay, share this video. All right, please do share this video on every of your groups, okay, that you are in. All right, so it helps someone. Now look at this question. It says an object with a mass of 5 kg is moving with a velocity of what? 8 meters per second. It experiences a constant net force of 40 Newton in the same direction as its motion for 4 seconds. What will be the final velocity of the object after this time period? Okay, when you see a question like this that involves mass, velocity, okay, there's a velocity and they're asking for another velocity. Okay, that's where you should have know your laws and your formulas. Okay, this you can relate this quickly to Newton's second law of motion, which states that your force is equal to m, mass in parentheses, your final velocity minus your initial velocity over time. This is the formula you're going to use. Okay, I think I'm going to try to, I have a 135 physics formula, the sheet. I'll be sharing it on a Telegram group today. In fact, now, immediately after this video, I'm going to share it. So make sure you join our Telegram group, okay? You will see the link in the video description box or on my profile, okay, bio, you will see the link, or you can WhatsApp me to get the link for the Telegram group, okay? So and there are several things we're going to be doing on Telegram group before your exam. So make sure, updates, everything. So make sure you're on the Telegram group. At least that's free. Okay, the one which is paid, which we have constant brainstorming. Okay, it's our online class group, okay, which is on WhatsApp. And to join the online classes is 3,000 naira per month. But for next month, since it's just half of the month, because JAM is 19th, it will be 1.5. So if you're interested, and those last 2 weeks of JAM is going to be intensive, past questions, solving, just with you guys. Those 2 weeks are for you. Okay, so if you're interested, also the links in the video description box or my bio profile, and you can also WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp details will be also where the links are. Okay, so here, let's go on here. So we have force. What is our force? F is what? 40 equal to, what is our mass? Our mass is 5. Then what is we're looking for the final velocity, which is v, minus our initial velocity is what? 8. And what is our time? Our time is what? 4 seconds. Okay, so I would cross multiply this here. This gives me 160. That's 4 times this. Then I open this parenthesis. I have 5v minus 5 times this is what? 40. I will take this guy here. So this gives 160 plus, taking negative here. Please, in maths, people that run away from maths, science students that are running away from maths, in physics you cannot escape maths. Okay, so know that when you're crossing over a negative sign, it changes. At least the basic fundamental thing you should learn about maths that would affect your answer options in your physics is at least know your sign numbers, how to deal with them, what happens in an equation, how to do change of subject of the formula. Please go and learn that topic. If maths is not my, all this medicine students, maths is not my strength and all that. In physics, you cannot run away from it. Are you with me? So read change of subject of formula, read how to read equations, read how to, work with sign numbers. Those 3 topics is key when you are trying to work around your JAMB physics. And don't forget standard forms, how to play around your 10 raised to power, when you have 10 raised to power minus 3 and maybe times 10 raised to power minus this, how do you do it? Indices. Please learn those topics, okay? Fundamental key topics that will help you in your physics. So let's move forward. All right, so when we cross here, we have what? 40, and this is 5v, and 160 plus 40, that will give us 200. Let's come up here. So that's 200 equal to 5v. So to get v, we divide both sides by 5. This cancels, and 200 divided by 5 is 40. So our final answer is 40. That's 40 meters per second. So the final velocity is 40 meters per second. So this is our right option. So thank you for staying tuned to the end of this video. And do make sure you follow us Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to all our platform, TikTok. Which other platform are we on? Just follow us and subscribe and share this video. Okay, thank you so much. And any details, it will be in the video description box of this video. And so sorry, don't forget to get the DTW JAMB CBT app to practice more on your phone, on your laptop. This is the time to practice. When you finish practicing, there are correct solutions that you can use. Okay, you can learn from. So thank you so much. And don't forget finally that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Give your life to Christ, for He's the way, He's the truth, and He's the life. He's the one who's going to lead you to heaven at last and give you that heaven here on earth. He can do it, all right? Just leave those old ways and come to Him, and He will make your life beautiful, okay, and glorious once again. All right, thank you, and see you in our next video. Don't forget, you are destined to win in life and also in your forthcoming JAMB 2024. Take care.